Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we call your attention to some stories you might have missed. Next week we have the FAA UAS Symposium in Baltimore, and so I am going to be highlighting some stories relating to UAS integration. The first one, NUAIR and ANRA Technologies have been assessing an unmanned traffic management system in New York State. They tested UAS flying with a remote ID module to help identify who's flying a particular drone. So Brian, what have you got for us?
So, not in the country actually, it's in Mexico. CAPE and the Tijuana Public Safety Department have partnered to launch Mexico's first drone as a first responder program. And the program is a cross-border collaboration between the cities of Tijuana and San Diego, and it's modeled after the Chula Vista Police Department's program in Chula Vista, California, which is of course a part of the UAS integration pilot program.
Okay, that's good. WhiteFox, which is a company that won some coveted excellence awards at Exponential this year, has released a white paper talking about counter-UAS technology and the importance that holds for UAS integration.
Waymo is bringing its self-driving trucks back to Arizona. The company tested these trucks a couple of years ago for a period of time. This latest round of testing will be tested on freeways around the Metro Phoenix area, with plans to expand, the company says.
Okay. A company called OneSky has also been testing an unmanned traffic management system, also in New York, also in cooperation with NOAA. So there's a lot going on in New York State these days.
Yep. And in the mid part of the United States, an autonomous planner is being tested in the state of Nebraska. The planner is a product of a Ames, Iowa-based startup called Sabato AG, and the tractor we used to plant about 200 acres of soybeans at a farm in Nebraska just a couple of weeks ago. So that's one of the new ways that autonomous technologies are trying to be used, is with planting and farming and stuff like that.
That's pretty cool. And my last one is something completely different. NOAA was testing a remotely operated vehicle underwater and happened to find a 150-year-old shipwreck. So this boat had apparently caught fire and sunk, and it's still down there. So kind of an unexpected bonus.
Yeah.
So that's what we have for you this week. Hope to see you in Baltimore at the FAA UAS Symposium, and we'll see you next week.